end of racial segregation in US schools. On May 17, 1954, the United States Supreme Court handed down one of the most transformative judicial decisions of the 20th century in the case of Brown v. Board of Education of Topeka. Under the leadership of newly appointed Chief Justice Earl Warren, the court unanimously declared that the doctrine of separate but equal, established in the 1896 Plessy v. Ferguson case, was unconstitutional when applied to public education. The decision was the culmination of decades of legal strategy led by the NEACP, National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, and its lead attorney, Thurgood Marshall, who would later become the first black Supreme Court justice. The central argument accepted by the justices was that separate educational facilities are inherently unequal, as segregation generated a feeling of inferiority in African American children that affected their hearts and minds in an irremediable way. To prove the psychological damage of segregation, the defense team used the famous doll test, conducted by psychologists Kenneth and Mamie Clark, which demonstrated that black children internalized racism, preferring white dolls and attributing negative characteristics to black dolls. The decision of May 17 did not end segregation overnight. In fact, it triggered a massive resistance in the U.S. South, where many states closed public schools to avoid integration. However, the verdict destroyed the legal basis of American apartheid, serving as the moral and legal catalyst for the civil rights movement of the 1950s and 1960s. The Brown case reaffirmed the role of the judiciary in protecting minority rights against the tyranny of the majority, establishing that the Constitution did not tolerate second-class citizenship based on race. Leave a comment if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel. Every day there's a new video for you.